and welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial will go over the basic steps on how to set up and install the ZipKit Professional IP solution. The ZipKit is an all-in-one surveillance solution that provides unbeatable feature set, flexibility, and value. The install of the ZipKit will take no more than 3 to 5 minutes. Now let's talk about what's required for this install. You will need a ZipKit, an HDMI or VGA monitor, an HDMI or VGA cable. In our case, we'll be using an HDMI cable, and 5 network cables, 4 for the IP cameras and 1 for networking the NVR. So what's included in the ZipKit box? Well, there's a 4-channel NVR, power supplies for the NVR, and 4 outdoor IR dome cameras that will record at 1080p high definition resolution, a remote controller, a mouse, and quick setup and reference guides for quick install. Now let's begin the install. What you see here is the back panel of the NVR. Take the HDMI cable that's connected to the monitor and plug it into the HDMI port of the NVR. Now you'll plug in the power supplies. Take the 48-volt power supply and plug into the 48-volt port. Take the 12-volt port and then plug into a 12-volt power supply input. It'll take a few minutes for the unit to power up. Now that the unit is powered up, we can plug in the IP cameras. Keep in mind that this is a plug-and-play solution. That means that no other settings is required to be configured. All you gotta do is plug in the IP camera into the NVR. So let's take the network port of the camera, plug it into the Ethernet cable, plug the other end into the back panel of the unit. Do the same for all 4 cameras. You will see that the cameras are starting to populate on the screen one at a time. Once all the images are populated on the screen, the NVR is now recording the high definition resolution images from the cameras. Since this is a plug-and-play NVR solution with the IP cameras, no other settings need to be configured. Now we're almost complete with the install. We just have one last step to do, and that is networking the NVR. Take the network cable from your router and then plug it into the Ethernet port of the NVR. By networking the NVR, you can access the NVR from anywhere, anytime by using an internet connection from a PC or from your smartphone devices. To network the NVR, you need to get into the settings. We will now go through the steps of networking the NVR. To network the NVR, you have to go to the Easy Setup wizard. To get to the wizard, right-click on the mouse, go to Advanced menu, then click on Easy Setup. You will be prompted for a password. Enter the default password of 1111. Click Enter, and click OK. Select Easy Network for network setup. Click on Next. Select Yes. Click on Next. Now click on the Test button. The Easy Wizard is going through the steps of auto port forwarding your NVR. Once you see all the check marks on the left-hand side, auto port forwarding is completed. Now click on Next. On this page, you can assign a DDNS name. Once you have a DDNS name enabled, you do not need to remember the IP address of your NVR. Enable DDNS by selecting On. Enter any host name that you'd like. In our case, let's enter Specos zip. Click on Enter. Then select On to submit or update the DNS. Click on Next. Then click on Finish. The DNS name has been successfully submitted. Click on OK. Your NVR is now fully networked. Thank you for choosing Specos Technologies. For more information on this product and any other Specos Technologies product, please visit our website at specotech.com.